The top 5 foods that cats should not eat are chocolate and caffeinated drinks, as they contain theobromine and caffeine, which can cause vomiting, diarrhea, tremors, seizures, and even death in severe cases. Onions, garlic, and chives, which contain compounds that can damage cats' red blood cells, leading to anemia. Grapes and raisins, which can cause kidney failure in some cats. Fatty foods and bones, which can cause digestive issues, including vomiting, diarrhea, and pancreatitis. Dairy products, as many cats are lactose intolerant and consuming milk or cheese can cause digestive upset.